the strategy of the robots, and then we just send the command with this remote control to the robots and move around. So you can see that sometimes they appear quite clever, but sometimes they do things, very stupid things, like running into the wall, run into each other, and then get stuck. Like the goal just now, the goalkeeper was just stuck against another player, couldn't save. So there is a problem we're looking at. So you can imagine that this kind of technology you can use for different things. Where say you have a car without a driver, or you have any kind of system that should move on its own, or work in a team. So so there's some other robots in the lab, like. We thought about, football should be played with players which can walk, right? So one day you can build football players which are my size, and then they can play against humans, against other people. So we started to build this kind of robots which can walk around. I'm afraid it's not ready to move, so I can't switch it on. So you can buy a kit like this for with all the servos. With like Lego Mindstorm, so some, and then we added a PDA. PDA is like mobile phone. You put your calendar in, and so this we can program as the PC. So this one also moves on its own. It doesn't have. This one is without remote control as well. It moves on its own. It's got a camera here which look around for a tennis ball. This one and tries to score. The goal side is about this paper there, this white box. This is goal when it plays. And so so this is two things. The good thing about robotics I find is it's like you're playing with toys, but on the other hand you also do some useful research and you learn a lot. So I can recommend studying something that's to do with robotics, because you can play a lot around with stuff, and Lego and everything. You never stops in your whole life. So these are some older RoboFootbal robots we built. So we started with Lego, with some computers, and then now these ones they are made from metal, so aluminium machines, and we're going to competitions there, World Cup and European Cup. Our lab, the University of Plymouth, is a UK champion in RoboFootbal.
Really?
And I've got some video of one of the championships I can show you.